Talented and ready to jump out of the starving artist syndrome? Let's get you making some extra cash with your talents online. Hi, I'm passionpreneur Heather Kaye. I specialize in helping creatives leverage their artistic strengths to build a healthy online biz that supports a life they love. Monetizing your talents online is a great way to turn your passion into profit. That's what I did, professional international violinist, that found my way teaching online from a request made by my students in the States for online lessons while I was touring abroad. Within that journey, I have created this thriving YouTube channel, written over 30 educational digital exercise books for violin, and created multiple online courses and academies for adult violinists, newbie to pro. If I can do it, you can too. I was a complete technophobe before I started online. Truth. I barely had a Facebook account and an email address. I absolutely dreaded working with computers. Now, no one today would believe that's the case, because now I love working online, listening to some soft jazz, and know that I'm making an impact in this world today. So here are some simple ways to get you started online. Doesn't matter if you're a musician or an artist or you love to cook. Your passion, whatever it is, can be turned into a product that you can sell online. Now, it's not just, okay, I'm going to sell something online to make money. You're using your passion and your drive to help others, to share something that you are so passionate about that you know it will help others in their journey as well. Whether it's an educational product or something that will be hung on the wall that's going to give them joy every time they look at it. You can sell your products or services on an online marketplace like Etsy, or just use Shopify. They have a $5 plan where you get a link and you can sell on social anywhere. Wherever you're having a conversation, whether it's in direct messaging, you can just pop that link in and say, hey, this would really help you out. And boom, you have your first sale. So that's a very, very easy way to get started. I would highly suggest creating a website that showcases your talent. Think of it as kind of like your online gallery. Whether it's videos, performance videos, whether it's videos of you working with your passion and creating your passion, so people can see the joy that you have when you are doing what you love. And on this website, it's super easy to sell your digital products, your ebooks, even online courses. We live in a day and age that social media can be a blessing or it can be a curse. And as talented individuals monetizing ourselves online, social media is absolutely amazing. I have connected with so many violinists all over the world because of my YouTube channel or because of Facebook. If I hadn't been working online, I would never meet these amazing people and teach them violin or help them with their online biz, or both. It's very simple to join affiliate programs where you can link the products that you use. For example, for me, I have a page where I have my products that I use as far as like rosin, violin case, strings, these different things, or a journal even, that you can link to, and then somebody will purchase that. You can get a small commission. And finally, you can offer consulting services online. This can be easily done via Zoom.us. I've been using Zoom since 2011, teaching online. So these are just some examples of how you can get started. I have an amazing, wonderful, very simple one sheet called Get Monetized Online Checklist that you can print up. I'll leave a registration link in the description below and in the right-hand corner of this video. This checklist is a great resource for you to just kind of check off some things and go ahead and do them so you can start making money online. What is so beautiful about making money online is you are supporting yourself as an artist, as a musician, which gives you more time to do what you love, which is probably working on your craft. Have fun monetizing your talents and turning your gifts to gold. Ciao.